Welcome back to Crypto World channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be discussing about XRP dump of 50% that we had yesterday. This is incredible. In just few hours we got 50% drop, and we are still dropping on some sort of a way, especially on the weekly chart over here. And we need to discuss about the Bitcoin price because we do have some positive momentum there that could bring the steam into cryptocurrency market. We're going to be discussing also, should we trade XRP again or not? And now let's begin. So the first thing first, we're going to be covering XRP. Let's dive into the 1 daily chart, and the thing that you can see over here, of course, obviously it is pretty good pump and dump scheme over here. 53% in just one candle in just 1 day. Now the problem is when we have with the GameStop, it's something totally else. We have a little bit experienced people who knows when and how to buy some sort of a share. If we switch actually to the GameStop over here, you can see that those pumps were happening all the time consistently, a little by little, and this is the reason why GameStop is still on all-time highs. So if you switch to the XRP and every other cryptocurrency, you should know that in cryptocurrency those stuff are happening much faster, much earlier, and much stronger. Momentum is stronger, and that volatility is much bigger, which means that this pump and dump situation over here happened way too fast, and whoever caught it. Whoever missed it, well, sorry if you took some losses. So this is the reason why we yesterday, actually in 2 days, in few hours in between those 2 days, we managed to enter the point over here, close position, I think 66 or something. Yeah, we closed it over here, and that was it. I did it in the few hours if we attach 2 days together, and right now we are dumped pretty much 38 cents over here. So if we may actually regain, I may buy again, but for now I'm very skeptical about this because this price still has no ground under its feet, and one of the reasons for that is because we came from this consolidation phase and started to pump, which is on approximately around 26-25 cents. So if we continue retesting 20 EMA over here on the daily chart, we may actually break it and then come back to those levels. I would be very careful right now, and without stop loss I wouldn't consider buying XRP at all. I'm still thinking this formation over here is some sort of a bottom formation, and one of the reasons for that is because we have a star candle over here. If this day closes like it is over here, and the next candle managed to open above this candle over here, on this open over here, on this close, sorry, then we may see return towards the upside. The reason why I'm skeptical about this is because of this week. This week over here is pretty much very good resistance, and it gives you very bad risk reward ratio, so I wouldn't be betting on it. Also, the similar thing happened on the Bitcoin. As you can see, this candle over here also some sort of a manipulation or pump and dump when the Elon Musk tweeted about, actually he changed the bio in the Twitter. So as you can see, the same thing happened over here, and as long as we are not breaking that week, I wouldn't say that we're going to see all-time high, which is obvious. So nevertheless, I would be very careful. It seems like the price managed to hold these levels over here, but we're going to see if that will happen in the next few days or so, or hours, let's say like that. We need to still see good bounce from the 20 EMA. I want to be away from this candle over here. As you can see, we haven't been above 20 exponential moving average since 16 December, which is 2.5 months over here approximately, and that would, holding above 20 EMA would be one very bullish sign for the XRP that I would watch right now. I'm not watching any of the indicators or anything on the XRP because this is pump and dump and a little bit manipulated price. Only technicals that I'm watching right now are the candles and those moving averages that could bring us some road towards the upside. Now switching to the Bitcoin, as I told you in the previous videos, this was the level that we supposed to actually break and see some higher prices. Now it's still early, it's daily chart over here, it's still early. We have 13 hours to close above these levels over here and potentially see pump towards the upside. As long as we are staying above this area over here, I'm going to be bullish for the Bitcoin. One of the reasons for that is because on this area we had a lot of uncertainty, a lot of sideways action that didn't give us a lot of clearance where the Bitcoin price may go. I told you in the few previous videos that we should not supposed to trade Bitcoin around this area because it is very choppy and uncertain. So right now, for now, I'm expecting Bitcoin to close above this area over here that we just marked with the black line, and after that I would expect further push towards the upside. Now, to confirm such a situation over here, you can see that the MACD over here is trying to cross. Those two moving averages are crossing. Histogram is showing us the fading momentum of the bears, and also the RSI is pumping above level of 50 slowly towards the level of 70, which is overbought zone, which is very, very good. For now, so far, so good. I hope we are going to continue to converging into the bullish side. So we are good to go towards the upside. We broke it. We are still into the open over here. We need to see close. We need to see closed candle. So that concerns the Bitcoin, but on the Ethereum as the second biggest one, ladies and gentlemen, it seems like on the monthly chart, this is monthly chart, we are slowly breaking all-time highs. This is incredible. Look at this. We are already today in this video live, we are breaking all-time highs almost. I think we broke because high of that candle was 1440, and over here we have 1445. So this is good. We already broke all-time high. Congratulations to all Ethereum holders. We bought our Ethereum over here on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and I'm not tending to sell it for the USDT. I want to sell it for the BTC because I want to earn BTC. The reason why we entered, I discussed about this with you guys. We had a multiple year resistance, which is very important. As you can see, we had a lot of struggle around this area, and as long as Ethereum was below it, it was pretty much into the some sort of a bear market, let's call it like that. Right now we are above this area. We bought somewhere above that area, and right now it seems like that the steam in Ethereum BTC is starting slowly to come back. As you can see, we're close our entry point over here. We are a bit in a loss, but it's going to come back. Now, the reason why these resistances are so important, you can see also on the silver. I discussed about many months before when we broke that area about the silver. As you can see, this area over here was also multiple year. I think 5-6 years or something was the resistance for the silver. Once we broke that resistance, as you can see over here, we did video, I think, over here and over here. You can see that we broke it pretty heavily to the upside, and if you take measurements of it, you can see 57% from that point, and if we measure from the bottom over here, you can see I think 56%. So this is the reason why Ethereum BTC is my eye over here right now, because it could bring much more even gains than if I sell it for the USDT, which is an all-time high, by the way. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed and learned something about a little bit time frames and the trading manipulation over here. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you do with your XRP? Are you buying some other altcoins, Bitcoin? What are your prognosis for the Bitcoin and other altcoins? I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.